department. Well, in this great opportunity, I would like to deliver my speech. So that I hope you are excited as I am right now. I chose the topic of the role of the resources education quality due to compare the resources between private school and public school in Buleleng Regency impacting the English-speaking children. I suddenly thought about this topic after saw the popular quotation that have been popular on social media, especially on TikTok. The quotation talk about 12 years of learning English, but all I know is the word I love you. What interesting in this quotation, there is so many comments agree with this quotation. It means that there were many people wonder about why students still cannot speak English well even though they have learned about 12 years. To be honest, I also agree with this quotation. I have been learning English for about 12 years, but I still struggle to speaking it well. Actually, I still experiencing this on my first semester in English education department. But I want to talk about my feeling at this moment. Instead, I will talk about how the school environments also contribute to the potential causes of this phenomenon on the quotes. As someone who attended public school for 13 years from kindergarten to high school in the very rural and remote areas, as known as Busungbiu district, after being a part of campus teaching program at SDN 1 Jinong Dalam, also did an internship at Port Wiyalasmi for about 4 months, I come to the realization that there are so many students who attend public school in very rural areas can speak English well when compared to the students who attend private school. Even though not all of students who attend public school can speak English well, but this mostly happen to students who attend public school in very remote and rural areas. I found that private school and public school in Buleleng Regency, especially at kindergarten and elementary school, have several unique characteristics, such as the differences in the resources educations, the quality of their teacher, and also about school facilities. Talking about the differences of the resources education between private school and public school, I clearly remember when I was in elementary school, there were English classes but no English teachers. At that time, we were instructed to learn by our own without any guidance when we were at school. When I was eventually started junior high school, I clearly remember that the subject was self-introduction. The English teacher said that this material was definitely taught in elementary school. We are suddenly asked to practice in front of the class. Well, some of my friends are already able, but most of them are elementary school graduate from the city who then choose to continue their study in Busungbiu for several reasons. On the other hand, some of my friends couldn't do that, including me. At the time, I didn't know what gadgets were, so I didn't know how to learn for free on YouTube or any social media. So that I asked to my father to enter me for an English courses, but there is no English courses available near to my village. What I'm trying to say that is really challenging to find a tutoring facilities in very rural areas or remote areas. In contrast to private school in the city of the Buleleng, they have received English lesson since they entered the kindergarten. There are even some children who can take English lesson whenever they want because usually the school recommends the students where they can take an English courses. Therefore, it is highly possible that these kids are already accustomed to hearing English language already, so learning English will come naturally to them. And then, talking about the teacher quality between private school and public school, I found that there are some teaching staff in public school feel less comfortable speaking English when teaching English lessons. This suggests that English teachers also influence to the English language proficiency as well. So, I found that English teachers in public school most of the time use Indonesian even when instructing students to do assignments. If the teacher is feel less comfortable using English, how then the students learn to speak in it well? Well, if the teacher is afraid that the students cannot understand with the instructions, the teacher can use two languages, English first and then the translations. In contrast to private school in the city of Buleleng, the English teachers are accustomed to express word or short sentence since the student entered the kindergarten. Besides that, I found that the teacher in public school are rarely come to the class during English time because they are sometimes busy doing tasks. This is especially true when the end of semester or midterm are coming up. English classes just run 2 hours a week. Then even this is shortened by teacher busy schedules. And then how the students have any time in the school to learn speak English well. In contrast, if we observe, this is appear that the English teacher or private school did not busy doing a task or school administration during the English class times. The last but not least is the school facilities. The resources I refer to are still influence reading book and digital technology needed to support learning activity to students and also the teachers. There are not enough English reading books to pick students' interest in readings, especially in the remote and rural areas. While if we observe that in private school, the facilities was their priority. While on the other hand, there are facilities like a projection available in some schools of the Buleleng Regency, but not used to full potential because some of reason. For instance, the teacher might not be familiar with how to connect the projection to the laptop or how to connect the laptop to the projections. Besides that, there are some of teachers who cannot be able to use the technology, so the students feel inactive with the media they use. Knowing the factor that could be influence the student learning will be a big challenge for all teaching staff, especially English teachers. Despite from the differences between private and public school, all of the teachers need to remember that to be a good educator, at least need to the adaptation and collaboration with technology. Besides that, all of the English teachers need to be considered about what the student needs because the teacher need to teach the student decide on the student needs so that the teacher can use the differentiated learning for learning activities to meet student needs. As Dr. Ihdi Amin MPD said, differentiated learning is that learning is developed to meet student needs like potential, student readiness, interest, and learning style. So, by using differentiated learning, it means that the teacher has guided the student independence to developing themselves. Therefore, the teacher can maximize the school facilities by implementing differentiated learning. And then, the students will be able to responsible to their process and also resolve their obtain and have good regulations so that learning achievement will be obtained and the phenomenon like the quote spoke before will be decreased. I think that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day everyone.